In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a table in Notion. We're going to keep things really simple and walk through the easiest method, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a clean table with a dedicated column for images that you can reuse for all kinds of projects, like product catalogs, mood boards, or content planning. First, let's create a database table. In any Notion page, click into an empty line where you want the table to appear. Start by typing /, then the word table. Notion will show you a few options. From that list, choose Table Database. This creates a full database, not just a simple inline table, which gives you more flexibility later for filtering, sorting, and viewing your data. Once you select it, Notion will drop a new table onto your page with a few default columns, like name and tags. Next, we'll add a new column specifically for images. Look to the far right of the table, past the existing columns. You'll see a small plus icon in the header row. Click that plus sign to add a new property. A menu will pop up asking what type of property you want. From the list of property types, select Files and Media. This is important because it tells Notion that this column should accept uploads or links to files, including images. You can rename this column to something like Image or Thumbnail by clicking on the column title and typing in the new name. Giving it a clear name will help keep your database organized as it grows. Now it's time to actually add an image to a row. Pick the row where you want the image to go, then move across to the image column you just created. Click inside that empty cell. Notion will show you a small menu with options like Upload and Link. If the image is saved on your computer, choose Upload. Your file browser will open and you can navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and then click Open. Notion will upload the file and attach it directly to that cell. If your image is already hosted online, you can instead choose Link, paste in the image URL, and confirm. Notion will fetch and display it in the same way. You can repeat this process for each row, adding a different image to every entry in your table. And that's all there is to it. Create a database table, add a Files and Media column, and then upload or link your images right into the cells.